little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to draw something super fun, a colorful playground slider.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab a black marker and get started. First, we'll draw the slider, the part we slide down from. Draw two parallel curved lines going down like a slide. Now, join the end part with a smooth curve. Great job! Let's draw the supports to hold the slider. Make two upside-down U shapes at the top of the slider. These are the tall stands. Now we'll draw two stands at the end part of the slide. These help it stand on the ground. Awesome! Next, let's draw some steps to climb up the slide. Make straight lines across between the stands. Just like a ladder. Perfect climbing steps. Let's make the ground look fun. Draw some little patches of grass under the slide. Just like this. Whoa! It looks like a real playground now. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's use rainbow colors to make it super fun. Here we go. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Light pink color. Well done, little artists! Your playground slider looks amazing and colorful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing and coloring every week. See you next time.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.